So how to install Shake Shack app, order ahead and cut the line. So this is the mobile app of a popular chain which you can just use. So yeah, closest you will come to downloading a burger and fries, a Shack app. Whenever you're craving really good ingredients, getting your Shake Shack fix is easier than ever on the app, from delivery to curbside pickup. Plus, enjoy speed features like early access to new items, exclusive collabs, and way more. So yeah, usually using the app is pretty good idea if you like some specific brand, because only in the app you can have some exclusive deals and some cards and some, yeah, just basically savings which you can just have there. So yeah, um, but anyhow, that's what you have. You then here you have gift cards, and then all right. So for some reason maybe they just overloaded here. But then, yeah, you can just easily create your account with Apple, Facebook, or Google. So just go and create your account, and then yeah, just order via app. It's just more convenient. You skip the line, and uh, maybe maybe this app only works if you are located in US. But there you have it. So at least check it out. This